Evercoat Body Shop has the materials, tools, and know-how to make your project a success. And our 3 easy steps of prep, fill, and sand makes getting the results you want faster and easier. Remember, use gloves and a dust mask for safety. Evercoat Body Shop Extra Strength Reinforced Filler performs on many substrates including aluminum, galvanized steel, fiberglass, SMC, concrete, wood, and masonry. Extra Strength Reinforced Filler has long chopped strands of fiberglass and is ideally suited for projects that require maximum build and gap filling such as rust repairs or patching holes. Let's start with the prep step. Clean the repair area with soap and water. Use 80 grit sandpaper or a sanding disc to remove the paint. Feather edge or blend the sanded area into the painted area with 180 grit sandpaper. Remove the dust and clean the area. The surface must be completely clean and dry before applying the extra strength reinforced filler. The next step is the fill step. To optimize the performance of the filler, it is important to mix the correct amount of filler with the correct amount of cream hardener. The mixing ratio is 50 parts filler to 1 part cream hardener by weight. There are 2 options to help with achieving the correct mix ratio, using the enclosed Perfect Mix mixing guide or mixing based on the size of the puddle of filler. The first option is using the Perfect Mix mixing guide. Tape the mixing guide to a sturdy, clean surface. Completely fill one of the circles with filler that represents the amount needed. Dispense a line of cream hardener the same length as the blue line below the circle. Thoroughly fold the filler and cream hardener together with a spreader until the color is uniform. Make sure there aren't any dark streaks of blue left after mixing. The second option is mixing based on the size of filler puddle. Place the desired amount of filler on a clean, smooth, and non-porous surface. Squeeze a line of cream hardener on top of the filler based on the filler puddle size. For a 2-inch puddle, squeeze a line of hardener from the center to the edge of the puddle. For a 4-inch puddle, squeeze a line of hardener across the entire puddle. Thoroughly mix the filler and cream hardener with a spreader until the color is uniform. Make sure there aren't any dark streaks of blue. To apply the filler, spread a layer of mixed material over the surface using even, firm pressure. Apply additional layers of material as needed, building the area slightly higher than the surface so that the filler can be sanded down to a smooth and even finish. The material will remain workable for a few minutes before it starts to harden. Sand is the final step. The repaired surface can be sanded approximately 20 to 25 minutes after application. Rough sand the filler with 80 grit sandpaper to the desired contour. Next, sand with 180 grit sandpaper to remove all of the 80 grit sand scratches. For the best finish, we recommend applying Evercoat Body Shop Pro Grade Body Filler or glazing putty to fill any pinholes that may have appeared and to seal the repair before priming. By following these 3 easy steps, your project is now ready for paint. If you have any questions, EvercoatBodyShop.com is a great place to get complete product information and access to customer service. Thanks for using Evercoat Body Shop.